Video number 9. A guide on social media advertising. Twitter ads. There are various ways Twitter ads can help you as a small business owner, but it takes some basic instruction to get started and ultimately tap into its full potential as a social media advertising tool. Twitter advertising. Twitter has always been mobile first, demonstrated by the fact that its ad revenue from mobile advertising climbed to 88% in Q4 2014. Twitter also has a revenue-sharing video ads option called Amplify for content owners, such as TV networks. There are 3 different kinds of Twitter ads. Promoted tweets are messages that will appear directly in the timelines of the Twitter users you target at a specific time. A promoted account is an ad that invites targeted Twitter users to follow your brand. Promoted trends allow you to put your story at the top of trending topics on Twitter. How to buy Twitter ads. Once you sign into the Twitter ads platform and add your payment information, buying Twitter ads is a simple 4-step process. Step 1. Set up your campaign. Choose your objective and click Create Campaign to reach the Ad Campaign screen. You can name your campaign, choose to schedule start and end dates, and choose to add third-party tracking with double-click. Step 2. Choose your audience. Choose from among Twitter's targeting options. They provide an estimated audience size to help guide you. Step 3. Set your budget. You can set daily maximum and total campaign budgets. Twitter stops showing your ads once your budget has been reached. Step 4. Choose your creative. Twitter will show you an existing list of eligible tweets to promote, or you can create new ones. Click Publish Tweet to launch your ad. Twitter ads best practices. 1. Introduce yourself. Use an image or some of the copy in your tweet to highlight your unique selling proposition. Make sure that your Twitter bio and profile page are in great shape. 2. Include a clear call to action. Simply asking for a follow increases follows by 258% in timelines and 86% in search, and asking for a retweet increases retweets by 311% in timelines and 317% in search. 3. Include cards. These powerful tools add extra functionality like website previews, app installs, and lead collection to your promoted tweets, making the tweets more engaging and interactive for users. 4. Choose a custom fit over one-size-fits-all. If you target different groups of users, you should adjust your creative based on some competitive research or lurking to determine what is most likely to appeal to each group. Of course, many of the best practices that apply to organic tweets also apply to Twitter ads, so make sure you incorporate what's already working for you on Twitter into your Twitter ads. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.